How to sign into Expedia to view your itinerary. Hi everybody, welcome back. In order to sign into your Expedia to view your itinerary, just follow these steps. Open up any browser that you have or install the app as well. So I'm going to use the browser version of it. Simply type in expedia.com, or you could just type in Expedia and select the first link that pops up. Here, tap onto the profile at the very top right and select sign in. You could then sign in using your Google email or continue with your Facebook as well. I'm just going to quickly sign in using my email account, actually my Google account. And so once logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page. So in order to find your itinerary, what you could do is simply select trips at the very top right of the home page. You could go ahead and look for these in the trip, or just tap the profile. You could go ahead and look for it in the profile as well, and there it is, trip. Select that out and select the specific trip you want to view. Your full booking details, flight, hotel, etc. Will be listed under booking or itinerary section. So that's how you're supposed to view your itinerary. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.